go. Alright, Corey, what's done?
It is full force bottom end, twin disc clutch, precision 62, 66. Pretty much it rips.
How much power are you putting down?
I don't know, it's probably mid 500 right now
Yes.
on a safe tune.
Safe tune. No tune, basically?
Yeah, on the old tune.
Does it have any tune at all?
That's the old tune on it.
For 500, right?
Yeah.
Alright. I love that sound. I need exhaust in my car so bad. Alright, we're gonna go for a rip in Corey's S14 real quick. Oh, nice. There's an ECU on the floor.
Oh yeah.
Sounds of heaven. It's like scary. It's like when it starts loading up and you're like, oh shit.
It's not even in boost, like that's just all vacuum.
Dude, that sound is like ridiculous. I gotta build one now. People only build RVs for the sound.
It's a beautiful sound.
Yeah, it's the greatest sound.
It really is. That was 1 pound.
That was 1 pound of boost.
1 pound.
That's like faster than my Corolla.
Once we get up here a little bit, I'll rip it. Yeah, the heat only works on 4. I don't know why. That's new.
Fuse, maybe. I don't know. It's weird.
I haven't looked into it.
This thing rips so hard, dude. Holy shit.
Puts a smile on your face.
Dude, I wish I had the cash I'd buy just so I could do that all the time. Dude, you need a tune so bad.
I know.
You can make another 200 wheel.
Honestly, God, I probably could.
Oh, dude, it puts you in your seat so quick.
I know.
It honestly builds boost like really quick,
Right.
though.
It's that old turbo I had on it, that journal, it was so slow.
Because it's eBay, is that why?
So yeah, it was eBay and a journal bearing. This is the fucking $2,000 turbo.
Worth it. I remember the last time I rode it and it was like really laggy.
Yeah.
Felt like you're like into it for like a long time.
Mm-hmm.
Holy shit. Jesus, dude. The rev limiter is so good. What is the rev limit on an
I don't
RB25?
even know. I think it's at like 72 right now, but it's
Say
turned.
that my 20 revs at 8,300.
Yeah.
Revs higher than my Corolla. Out of the way!
Went and reset itself. Once these cars go by, I'll rip it.
Can you like brake boost it too?
Right.
Thing is gnarly.
That left tire marks on the road.
Did it?
Yeah. It wasn't even spinning, it was just gripping.
Jeez. You're still running the stock 240 disc.
It's
Can the stock axles take like 700 and all that?
we're gonna find out. I don't know. I don't know. This is an RB20 trans, and they're weak as fuck. They only rated.
It is an RB20 trans.
Yeah. I don't know how. Fifth gear pulls.
You have to keep it, dude. You have to keep it. Because he rocking camber on a 500 wheel horsepower car.